Hello everyone, this is Jack from NIKKEN, here today to introduce a new product in our range, the Micro Tombstone. The Micro Tombstone doubles the capacity on any of your rotary tables. It's retrofittable as standard on any table up to 200mm, and we can manufacture a special bung to go up the range if required. So the Micro Tombstone as standard, we do have a couple of workholding partners where the vise can bolt straight on, or as you'll see later in the video, you can manufacture your own pallets just to double your capacity, single up on a 4th axis. So it's tried and tested. We are already using this at our innovation centre in Rotherham. There's absolutely no dampening issues with it whatsoever. It's completely stress relieved, it's anodised, looks very smart. It's a great addition to your NIKKEN Rotary Table. So if you've got any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. Get in touch with your business manager, get in touch through the office. We're happy to come in and visit you, see if this Micro Tombstone could help your production.